guys, we are here with our second episode of Internship Diaries. So myself Sujal Mehta from Operations Forum. I have with us Aditya Patil from Ramcharan School of Leadership. So let's start the episode. So hello Aditya.
Hi Sujal.
Can you introduce yourself to our viewers?
Yeah, sure. I am Aditya Patil. Currently, I am pursuing MBA from Ramcharan School of Leadership in MIT WPU Pune, and in Operations Supply Chain Management plus Business Analytics. And also, I am engineer with the from NMIMS University, Mumbai. And also, I did a 2 months of internship from Shipping Corporation of India.
So can you tell us something more about Shipping Corporation of India and how did you landed up that internship?
Yeah, sure, definitely. So basically, I was aware about the Shipping Corporation of India and also their internship opportunity. So after searching a lot from the website, I got to know about their internship opportunity. So I applied, and afterwards some process happened, and from that I got selected for the internship, operation internship. And I was really privileged to work with the leading organization in the shipping industry.
So can you help us with what is Shipping Corporation of India and what kind of business it does?
Okay, definitely, Sujit. So basically, the Shipping Corporation of India is one of the oldest and leading organization in the shipping industry, and I can say their contribution in Indian economy is very huge because they work for the import export, and also they have own vessels, own 59 vessels, which they use for the transportation, which they use for the import and export. And there is multiple type of containers, oil and tanker, bulk and carriers, offshore vessels they have. And also they manage different kind of vessels of like ONGC vessels.
So now we would like to know what was your role as an operation intern in Shipping Corporation of India and what main tasks were included in it.
Okay, so basically I worked in dry dock and repair bill cell, which came under the offshore department. Offshore department having a small vessels, which is the supporting vessels to the oil rigs vessels. So basically, dry dock and repair bill cell take care of the maintenance part of the vessels, and also it the key responsibility, like the vendor management, is the major responsibility, because the maintenance of the vessel is not taken care by the Shipping Corporation of India. It is basically taken care by the vendors.
Okay.
So the vendors bill scrutiny is also the major key responsibility, which I was involved in that.
So now we would like to know that what were the key learnings during the period of internship.
Okay, so there is a lot of learning during internship period, but specifically I can say that during my project time, I applied the knowledge theoretical knowledge which I learned during my classroom sessions. Like in operation management, I learned the bottleneck, how to find the bottleneck and how to optimize the process. So there I applied that knowledge, like bottleneck and process optimization. This I applied during my internship project time, and that will be give me the more learning that how to implement the theoretical knowledge into the practical knowledge in project time.
Okay. So now we would like to know that how was the work culture at Shipping Corporation of India?
Okay. So basically, at my first day, I was very nervous about that this is a very large organization and how I will survive and how I will interact with my colleagues. But after 2-3 days, the employees working there are really very friendly and very supportive. And also I directly reported to the DGM. So that DGM sir also very supportive and give me the thoughts and give me the good learnings during my internship period. And also during my 2 months of internship, we get a chance to attend the yoga day.
Okay.
So that was a very amazing experience for us, because in that large organization, we can attend such big event.
Mm-hmm.
So that was very interesting part for us.
Okay. So can you help us with some of the interesting stories or some of interesting experiences which you had during the internship period?
Yeah, definitely. Basically, during in 2 months, I got opportunity to visit the Indira Dock, which is in Mumbai,
Okay.
and there I visit to the Samudra Sarvekshak vessel, which is the ONGC vessel and which is managed and maintained by the Shipping Corporation of India. So that was very interesting for me. I got to know the operations of the vessel, all engine room. I visited the engine room, their control room, their deck panels, and all this. So that was really thoughtful, insightful session for me.
Okay, great.
So, are there any final advice or thoughts you would like to give to us viewers, which will help them to have their career in operations and operations and logistics?
Yes, definitely. So basically, I would like to suggest you that try to find out your internship opportunity from the first semester only, because afterwards it's getting too late for the internship process. So you should start finding different opportunity. You should connect with the industry experts from the LinkedIn. And also at the same time, you can search the different websites, government websites, where you can get the internship opportunities. I would like to add one more thing, that guys, you should understand the theoretical knowledge properly, which can help you during your internship project to implement into the real life scenarios. So this also helped me during my internship project.
So, thank you, Aditya, for sharing your valuable insights regarding the internship and how you landed it.
Yes. Thank you, Sujal. And thank you, Operation and Supply Chain Forum, for inviting me in this internship diary. Thank you.